Alrighty guys, out here in the shop doing this little bit of just a variety comparison on some different varieties. We had quite a few soybean varieties this year on the farm. Well, we didn't plant too many, we just put out a bunch of varieties just to kind of see where we're at, just make sure we're picking the top hybrid or top varieties, and then we put out about 4 numbers of corn, just pick some pick the top numbers, know which ones we want to drop for the next year and which ones we want to keep. Just had 4 corn numbers. These were all figured out. They were just 12 rows right in a row next to each other in the field. They were just, come on. They were just a, real even comparison. We try to do the best we can to keep it fair, just so we get the most accurate yield information. The first number we got in corn's an Agrigold 6462, made 224.8, or no, just 224 even. That one, we will not be planting that one again. Come on. Next one's a DeKalb 6434, made 229.8. It looked pretty good. Next one's an Agrigold 6499, made 230. And the next one's DeKalb 6674, made 233. That was a good hybrid also, and I think we're going to plant those 2 DeKalb numbers again. We're pretty happy with the way the whole plant looked, when we were harvesting it and whatnot. Maybe we might plant that last Agrigold number. We haven't put our seed order in yet, but anyway, so 233 was the final number there on the DeKalb. Anyway, now the next ones. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 14 numbers here, I think. Got Asgrow beans, Pioneer beans, and Credenz as a brand. We got some Liberty numbers from them. Got an Asgrow. The first 6 here to right here, Asgrow and Pioneer, 3 of each, are non-GMO. First Asgrow numbers are 3253, made 70.7. Then we had a 3555, Asgrow 73.1. Had a Asgrow 3956, made 74.4. Then we had a Pioneer P26750, went 70.9. P26T50, had 70.9, and then had a Pioneer P33T60, went 74.7, and then we had a Pioneer P39A 825, went 68.1. That one is good. And then these are Xtend beans, dicamba resistant beans. Got 4 Asgrow numbers in this category. Got an Asgrow 34X6. That one is 78.5, pretty good bean. Had a Asgrow 36X6, 77.9. 38X8 went 76.4, and a 39X7 went 76.2. So the yields are up a little bit, but for what you pay for those beans, it's not really worth it, and we get a premium for the non-GMOs anyway, so we're going to keep doing that. And then we got a Liberty Link, and believe it or not, the Liberty Links really stole the show here. I got a Credenz number, 3233, made 83.1. I got a Credenz 3601, went 79.5. And then we got a Credenz 3841, went 75.6. And then top number was a Pioneer P37T091, made 83.6, and that's a Liberty bean also. And there could be a little bit of variance. You could give or take a couple bushel here because this plot was, let's see, we got 8 rows by 14 varieties. You know, it's a pretty wide plot, and that could vary in soil type and everything. So you got to give a little credit to that. You know, you could give or take a couple bushel on these either way. So that was also figured at 15% moisture. So, and our yields weren't close to that this year, so don't think that we were having close to 80 bushel beans, because we weren't. And that is just plot information there, you know, just a small spot out of a better part of the field, and figured at 15% moisture, that helps too. I think they were a little drier than that when we harvested them, but they adjust to 15% just to make them all fair. So anyway, there's a little bit about that. I wanted to get that done. Sorry it took me so long to get that done. But if any of you are kind of in the same area as me, or along the same, I guess it'd be latitude, I think, you know, anyway, we're about the same distance, have the same growing season as we do here in central Illinois. Maybe a little bit of information for you. And probably people wonder, this is a project I'm currently making a video on. Neighbor owns it, had a knock in the engine, so I'm working on that for him, but I got a video coming with it. So there's my tires mounted up. Don't they look pretty? We will know this Saturday what I bought, so it'll probably be Sunday before the video gets up. So anyway, thanks for watching.